Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and save pictures from Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is access a particular Instagram app on your mobile phone, and now tap on this profile icon here in this bottom right. Over here, all you have to do afterwards is tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings and privacy. And now you have to simply get this option of archiving and downloading in the your app and media section. If you have turned on save story to archive, save live to archive, and save original post, this toggle is on. That means whenever you post any pictures on Instagram, you will automatically be able to download those pictures. They will automatically be downloaded to your gallery. You can access them, and they're in the Instagram folder. You will access all of the pictures that you have uploaded. They will be downloaded. You can do that same with your story. You can simply turn it on, and whenever you upload a story, they will simply be able to be saved on your device as well. So make sure to turn on the settings on your Instagram and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys on our next video.